Alright, I'm doing some work on my second Huey Helicopter by Revell 132nd scale. I'm putting some LEDs on this one this time. And here's some of the wiring that I did yesterday. The rotor motor. And here's the main canopy, I guess. I did also put a battery motor on this one. And so I'm just checking as I go. So there's a battery motor in the back. Super glue and some plastic pieces to make it fit and set. And having fun with it. Anyway, I'll keep you guys posted. And there's the crew. Alright, thanks.